guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to make the single crochet, how to increase, how to decrease, also with the single crochet, and what the difference is between a single crochet and a slip stitch. So let's get started with just a slip knot. If you've never made a slip knot before, I usually hold my yarn like this, so whatever's the end, I'm right here, okay? Then I'm going to use 2 fingers, I'll wrap around my yarn and cross it over. Then I pull out my fingers, and the yarn I crossed over comes from behind and I'm pushing it through. Now I'm pulling both strands to make a knot. Now, doing it this way allows you to pull the yarn that has the longer end, the one that we're actually going to use, and going to pull a little bit so that to make that hole a little bit smaller. Okay, now we're going to use the long piece of yarn and not the short one, so ignore the short one. You want the hole to be in a size that you can slip in and out easily, so not too tight and not too big. So this is just right. Okay, so now we're going to make a few chains. So you simply go in and turn your hook around like this. You literally hook your yarn and pull through. And you keep doing that, just like that, until you have the length that you need. I'm going to go ahead faster, just that I have several chains ready to go to show you how to do the slip stitch and the single crochet. Okay, I think that's good. So one of the first things you need to remember is that the first chain right here closest to the hook never gets counted. So when someone says make your single crochet in the first stitch, it's going to be this one, starting from the second one. Most patterns tell you that. My patterns tell you where you have to start. The first one usually never gets counted for a single crochet. The same is the truth for the single crochet, the slip stitch, okay? So let me now show you how to do a slip stitch first. So a slip stitch, you literally go into your chain right here. You pull your yarn through like that, and then you pull your yarn through the loop on your hook like that. That is a slip stitch. Let me do it again. You go into your chain, you pull your yarn, so which is called yarn over, pull your yarn through. Now you have 2 chains on your hook, and then the closest one to the tip is going to be pulled through. Let me do that one more time. You go in, go around, pull through, you have 2 on your hook, and you pull through. This is a slip stitch. This is how a slip stitch looks like. Now let me go back and now show you how to do a single crochet. Okay, so a single crochet, you almost do the same thing. So again, we're starting from the second chain from the hook, going in, yarn over, pull through. Looks almost identical to a slip stitch. Now you have 2 chains, 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over again. Here's the difference between a slip stitch. And you're going to pull through both loops on your hook. Now you made your first single crochet. Let's do that again. You go into a chain, yarn over, and pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Just like that. Let's do that again. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. One more time. If you don't know how to do this just yet, that's alright. You can always pause, go back, rewatch it, totally fine. It's very, very easy. So here you can see I made 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also count them from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time you see those V's, those are single crochet tops. So this is the single crochet. You can identify a single crochet from the front. It has another V right there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet increase. We're going to go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Now we're going into the same chain again and doing the same thing again. So now we made 2 single crochets into the same chain right here, and that is a single crochet increase. Let me do that one more time. Going into that chain and making a single crochet that you just learned, and now you're going to go into the same chain again and making another single crochet. So now we have here created 2 single crochet increases. There is 2 chains right here, and in each chain we have 2 single crochets, therefore increasing the count. So instead of having 1 V on top of the chain, we have 2. So let me show you now how to do a single crochet decrease. So it's exactly the opposite. So here's 1 chain. We're going to go in, yarn over and pull through. Now instead of yarning over and pulling through both, we're keeping that loop on our hook and going into the next chain. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. And now yarn over and pull through all 3. So what you've done now is you picked those 2 chains right here, so you can see them right there, and we decreased the number 2 to 1. Okay, so look at this. You have 2 chains, and now you have 1 V right above. Okay, let's do that one more time. So you go into the chain, yarn over, pull through, and now you're going into the next one and doing the same. Yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, we decreased from 2 chains to 1 stitch. Okay, let me kind of cover the rest so you can see it. So there's here a chain and here a chain, and now we have only 1 stitch right above. So that means we did a decrease. So now you learned how to do a chain, slip stitches that we frogged already. Frogging means you go back and pull your yarn back out. Then we made single crochets right here. It always starts from the 2nd chain from the hook. Then we made single crochet increases, and we made single crochet decreases. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can like, comment, and share on this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch all my other basic as well as more advanced videos and patterns. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.